In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive Western Union into GCash or Maya instantly. If someone just sent you money via Western Union, you can skip the line and claim it straight into your mobile wallet. First, open your GCash app and make sure your account is fully verified. This is crucial because only fully verified accounts can receive remittances. In GCash, you'll typically see a fully verified badge on your profile. If you don't, complete the in-app verification with a valid ID and a quick selfie. Double check that your name in GCash exactly matches the name your sender used at Western Union. Spelling and middle names matter. Also confirm your wallet has enough receiving limit and available balance room so the transfer doesn't bounce. Next, on the GCash home screen, tap Cash In. From there, choose Remittance or Global Partners, then select Western Union. This brings up the claim form. Enter the MTCN, short for Money Transfer Control Number, from your sender's receipt. It's typically a 10-digit code. Add the amount and any other required details exactly as shown on the sender's confirmation. A quick tip, keep the MTCN private and only enter it inside the official app. Never share it in chats or with anyone claiming to be support. Before you submit, carefully review everything: your full name, the MTCN, and the amount. Any mismatch can cause an error or delay. When you're confident it's accurate, submit the claim. In most cases, the funds post instantly to your GCash wallet and you'll see a confirmation in the app along with a receipt notification. If you run into an issue, start by checking that the transfer status is available for pickup and hasn't been claimed elsewhere. Verify that the MTCN is correct. Confirm the sender chose the correct destination country, and make sure you haven't hit your wallet or monthly limits. If all looks good but it still doesn't go through, reach out to official in-app support. Once the money arrives, you have an optional next step. You can use GCrypto if you want to hold USDC, which is a digital version of USD, or send it from GCrypto to another wallet or address. Availability and fees can vary, so review them first and make sure you're using the correct network and address before sending. If you're using Maya instead of GCash, the flow is very similar. Look for Western Union under Add Money or Cash In, and follow the in-app prompts. That's it. Fast, secure, and no lines. Thanks for watching, and happy cashing in.